Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. I do not see any scratches or paint chips on the front. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look very good. I do not see any scratches or dents at all. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash at all. Let's have a look at the back of the car. Okay, everything back here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches on the spare tire cover. The trunk looks fine, and the back bumper has no scratches. Let's take a look at the passenger quarter panel. Everything here looks fine. I do not see any scratches at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look very good. I do not see any scratches or dents on them. Now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start with the driver's seat. The seat looks perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. Let's take a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear there at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Everything here looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition. I do not see any wear and tear with the buttons. Also, the leather and stitching looks perfect as well. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.